Hiya guys, look, it arrived in the post a couple of hours ago from Amazon. New Tornado 4x4. There you go. Looks cool. Nice 4x4 RC car. It's got a 7.4 battery with a 1500 milliamp. There. I guess the car weighs at least 4 or 5 pounds. It's a really heavy car. It's certainly not a toy grade car. I have took it out of the box because I've put the spoiler on, charged the battery up a bit. Comes with the instructions, a couple of spare prop shafts, various other spare parts. It comes with the charger, screwdriver. I haven't quite read through everything yet, so but it seems cool. Well, what I can say really, I'm going to give it a try and try it out. I don't know if you can see all this. You know, it looks cool. Looks really cool. That's the controller. That's the car, which I will switch on. It's got lights on the front. Got flash. Switch the controller on. And it does go quite fast. Surprised me how fast it does go. I tried it across the carpet and I got told off because it shot across the room in a couple of seconds. So, well, there you go. Looks nice. I'm going by the seaside next weekend, so me and me mate Stuart Tiffany, he's got one. We're meeting up. I haven't seen him for a while. He's been doing his house. We're going to meet up with his car and we're going to do a bit of beach racing or whatever the case may be. We'll see how it goes. I'm not used to this sort of. I'm not used to the cars, and that's new to me. All you guys there who's got them, you know, you probably think this is, you know, not a brilliant one, but compared to the ones I've had, it is. So I'm just getting into this side of it as well, so I'll move on from this one to a lot better one if I sort of get into it. We will try. Well guys, can't really say no more. The suspension, everything seems fine. They're not oil filled obviously, but there you go, all seems good. Well, catch you on the flip side guys. Like I say, sorry about I'm not that brilliant on this unboxing shit, so I just prefer to drive it, see how it goes. If it's crap, tell you this crap. If it's good, but at the moment it seems quite good, and it looks like it's going to be reasonably fast. So there you go. Catch you later, guys. See you later. Bye bye.